Hey everyone, so I just made this workflow for Twitter and for Twitter Outreach, and it is really amazing because it can run 24 by 7 in the cloud, and it can even start and stop automatically in the cloud, so you don't even need to lift a finger to do outreach on Twitter basically. Okay, and one thing is that it is more safer than any DM software for Twitter, literally, because it mimics human style in each and every single step, okay, which I'm going to show you right now. um, so I will show you here. I have at least set up like 4 accounts here on an industry browser. Let me show you how the workflow looks like. So here's the workflow. So this is the whole workflow. As I said, like there are different intervals in each step, and it mimics human style in each step. So like it's so safe, it will not get your account banned at all. Okay, so now this is the sheet. Basically I will show you like each of the step in the step-by-step guide, but now let me show you, let me just give you guys a demo. Okay, now here you will have your all of your leads. So just for testing purpose, I have only put only two leads and just copy pasted them. Okay, so like as you can add as many accounts as you want, and it is one of the best thing about this is that you can add as many accounts as you want. Like there is literally no limit. You can add one, or you can add 10, or you can add hundreds account. There is no limit, and it is literally free. It will not cost you anything. Okay, this is like I think this is such an insane thing I have made. Like I'm really proud of it. Okay, so all you need to do is just copy the leads from to all leads to account 1, 2, or 3. Okay, for example, I will put there put some leads here, and it will automatically like you can set how many DMs you want to send per day. From account you can send up to 250 to 300 DMs per account. Okay, so it will automatically, like let's say it's sent 50 messages the first day, it will automatically start the second day from here. So like it's 100% automated. Okay, now let me show you how it's going to send. Okay, so for example, I'm going to start, click on execute, and it will start the workflow. Okay, so now it started. Now let's go back. Now this is the browser it's using. So now it will first, if it will try to pick up all the leads from the Google Sheets. You can see now it's opening the first link. It's all automatic. Okay, now it will see if they have a message button or not. If they have a message button, they will click on it. As you can see, now it will try to type the message. As you can see, it's human typing, like just like that. It's so amazing, and it will even send the message now. Just wait, you see, really amazing. Now I'm gonna stop this because it's gonna, and it will even stop. As you can see, it closed the window. Okay, so it's working, and I'm gonna stop this now. All right, so this is the workflow, and it runs automatically in the cloud, as I said. And as you can see here, you can set the number of messages you want from one account. So now right now it's 20, but you can send up 300 per account. Okay, and yeah, this is the whole workflow. So now I have made a step-by-step guide, literally a step-by-step guide on how to set this up whole system, like from start to finish, like every single thing I know about this, how I have set up my own system. This is the literally the copy paste thing that you can do. Okay, so you can send 1000, you can send 2000, you can send 10,000 a day. Like it doesn't matter. Like the workflow can connect to unlimited accounts. This is such an amazing thing because other DM softwares will cost you up to like $100 a month or 200. Like I have seen softwares that cost $200 a month just to connect like 20 accounts, which is insane. Okay, so but this is completely free. The workflow is free, the profiles are free, like everything is free. Okay, so you will be only paying for Twitter Premium, which is $8. Okay, so I have created this step-by-step guide on how you can set this up for yourself. So if you guys need the workflow plus the step-by-step guide, just let me know, and I will send it over to you. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.